Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the compressor overload protector in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/2-inch open-ended wrench, Phillip screwdriver, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new compressor overload protector. The compressor overload protector is mounted on the side of the compressor on its terminals. It saves the compressor windings from getting burned if the compressor overheats and starts drawing an excess of current. If your fridge stops cooling and you can't hear the compressor running, check the compressor overload protector and replace it if needed. So here we are at the back of the fridge, and we need to remove this rear access panel. So to do that, first we need to take off this water inlet hose. I'm using an open-ended wrench, a 1/2-inch, and I'm going to unscrew that water line. Well, I hope you turn off the water at the faucet. So also expect some water to come out of the hose. So and put it out, it won't be on the way. And now we're going to use the Phillip screwdriver. We're going to take out these screws so we can remove the panel. And I'm going to pull it up so we can disengage those two tabs here at the bottom. Alright, so after we remove the rear access panel, we're looking here in the left corner at the compressor, and the parts that we're going to replace is located inside this cover box. So we need to take out the single Phillip screw. I'm using the Phillip screwdriver. Next, I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to pry this cover out, and I'm going to remove it. Alright, so this is our cover. That's how it goes in. We have these two tabs here that locks it there at the bottom of the compressor here at the bracket. And it just latches on the top with this tab. So we need to remove this compressor start relay, and I'm using that flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to insert it right there and pry it out. Be careful, because it's only compressor terminals. And then we're going to remove this compressor overload protector, which is right beneath that start relay. I'm going to use the same flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to place it right there underneath of this overload, and I'm going to remove it. Alright, so we're going to pull out this compressor overload protector, and I'm going to use the same flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to take out that contact. I'm going to take out that from the terminal. This is the old compressor overload protector next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, I'm going to pull out the wire here, the contact, place it onto the terminal. And we're going to install it under the bottom compressor terminal. Slide it on, push it on, and next we're going to install the relay, start relay. And again push it on all the way. And now we're going to install this cover. I'm going to put it in this way. We have this cutout on the bottom that the harness will go through this cutout. Very important little detail. Slide it in. I'm going to put the harness in. And now I'm going to secure the cover box with a single Phillips screw using a Phillips screwdriver. And let's install the access panel back. We need to lock these two clips on the tabs here. So we use the Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to install a bunch of the Phillips screws in. Now we're going to connect the water line, and don't forget to do that, otherwise your ice maker and water dispenser won't work. I'm going to start manually, and then I'm going to tighten it with the 1/2-inch open-ended wrench. Don't over tighten. Alright, now plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.